Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to write underscore on laptop. If we go to our keyboard, we will find a key where the underscore appears, normally accompanied by the middle dash icon. If we click on that key, we will see that the middle dash symbol is written. To access the other value, we will hold down the Shift key and then press the underscore key. Finally, we will see that the underscore symbol is written. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.